Criminal law in Pakistan. The criminal law in Pakistan is governed by the Pakistan Penal Code, which was enacted in 1860 during British colonial rule. The code lays out the various offences that are considered criminal, as well as the punishments for those offences. PPC. The Pakistan Penal Code, PPC, is the main criminal code of Pakistan. It was originally drafted in 1860 and has since undergone several amendments. The PPC lays out the various criminal offences that are punishable under Pakistani law, such as murder, theft, fraud, rape and various others. It also defines the punishments for these offences, which can include fines, imprisonment, and the death penalty. The procedure of the criminal law is governed by Criminal Procedure Code of Pakistan. The Criminal Procedure Code of Pakistan lays out the procedural laws governing the investigation, prosecution, and trial of criminal offences. It sets out the rules for arrest, bail, and imprisonment, as well as the rights of accused persons and the procedure for appeals. The CRPC also sets out the jurisdiction of the various criminal courts in Pakistan, such as the magistrates' courts and the sessions courts. Overall, PPC and CRPC are the two prominent codes that govern the criminal justice system in Pakistan, and are used by law enforcement agencies and the judiciary to prosecute and punish criminal offenders. In criminal justice system, the police are responsible for investigating and arresting suspects, the judiciary is responsible for conducting trials and determining guilt or innocence, and the prison system is responsible for imprisoning convicted offenders. In Pakistan, criminal cases are usually heard first in magistrate court, which are presided over by a judge. The judge is assisted by two assessors, who are usually lawyers. If the accused is found guilty, the judge will sentence them to a punishment, which can include imprisonment, fines, or both. The accused has the right to appeal their conviction and sentence to a higher court, such as the High Court. Or if the High Court has rejected his appeal, then the convicted person can appeal Supreme Court. The criminal law in Pakistan also includes provisions for bail, which allows an accused person to be released from custody while they await trial. However, bail is not always granted, and in some cases, the accused may be held in custody until their trial. There are several issues with the criminal justice system in Pakistan, including a large backlog of cases, slow trial processes, and a lack of resources and funding. Additionally, there have been concerns about police misconduct, including the use of torture to extract confessions. Overall, criminal law practice in Pakistan is based on the British common law system, but it also incorporates Islamic law and tribal customs. The legal system has been criticized for being slow, corrupt and inefficient, with a high rate of acquittals. Despite this, the criminal justice system remains an important aspect of the country's legal system, and is critical for maintaining law and order and protecting the rights of citizens.